Sud Squad! Today is such a special video. I am going to tell you what I do with all of my soap ends and pieces. I am privileged to have a friendship with XOXO Inc. Who is XOXO Inc? Well, XOXO Inc is a nonprofit on a mission. They're on a mission to change this world and give hygiene products to every person in rural areas that cannot afford to have amazing soap or clean water or education, the things that we take for granted here in America. I am so privileged to be able to know that when I get my end cuts and my bars are not so perfect, instead of going, oh darn crap, and freaking out because I just lost all that money, I get to know I am donating it to a cause. I am changing people's lives. When we come to work, we know that we're making soap for amazing customers and amazing people all around the world, but I also know that I'm giving almost as much to people who are less fortunate. So being partnered with XOXO Inc to give my ends and pieces away, it's a gift. I watched a TED Talk, like so many of us have, about the power of soap and the benefits of soap and how so many people in rural areas don't have soap, and literally thousands of people under the age of 5 die every single day because they don't have soap. So when I decided to be a soap maker, that was part of the reason why I chose to be a soap maker, is I wanted to make a difference in this world. I wanted to get to a place where I would be able to donate or make enough soap to make a difference. And the reason why I'm able to know that I'm making a difference is because of my partnership with Samir and XOXO Inc. I am so blessed to be a part of that and to be able to donate thousands of bars, if not millions of bars, to XOXO Inc. Well, you might be thinking, I'm not doing millions of bars, Joanna. But you know what? Just your end pieces can make a huge difference. And I'm going to put a little bit more icing on that cake of why you would want to donate your end pieces rather than to just, you know, put them into little scrap packs and sell them and make a profit. Well, you know what? You can make it a deduction. Run it by your CPA, but you can take it off as a deduction. How do you do that? Well, let me show you. So every time that I cut a block of soap, I get left over with these end cuts. So this comes off of the edge of the block of soap. And then every time I cut a loaf, so right here is our Bubble Factory eucalyptus spearmint. Smells amazing. So I'm gonna just go to the edge. Ding! Oh, that's music to a soaper's ears. All right, so these two pieces, I don't sell them. I donate them to XOXO Inc. So how do I do that and get an deduction? Well, let me show you. So I will take these soaps and let me cut these down to a weighable size. Okay, so I take them, I tear out my scale, make sure it's on 0, and then we weigh it. So let me just weigh all of these pieces. Okay, so right here is 30.90 ounces. So I will have a log. I will write down 30.90 ounces. When I'm going to make a donation, I take that log sheet of all of my unsellable bars of soap and I add it up. Once I add it up, let's say I have 25 pounds. I take that 25 pounds and then I can write off, deduct the cost to make that soap. So let's say your bars you sell them for $8, but to make them, the raw materials to make that bar is $2. So, and you're selling a 4-ounce bar. So you just take all of that cost, so 4 ounces times $2, times 4 is 16. So you got $16 a pound, and I have almost 32 ounces here. So basically $32 you can write down, let's say $30. You can write off $30 at the end of the year off of your taxes. And Samir, XOXO Bank, will give you the documentation that you need to be able to give to your CPA so that you would be able to do so. That's one of the benefits of being a soap maker and knowing that you're able to deduct the cost off of your taxes to a certain point. There is a limit. Talk to your CPA. So you're able to deduct the costs, but most importantly, you know you're saving lives. You're coming every single morning with a purpose. You know that you're going in there and you're blending those oils and you're adding that sodium hydroxide to that, and guess what? You just created a masterpiece that is going to keep someone alive. And you're going to be able to educate them through those ends and pieces. They're able to support women, and they're able to help kids go to school. That right there is like gives you a cause, gives you a purpose of why you make soap. And it's such a blessing to know that I'm able to do my part by working with amazing people at XOXO Bank. So I hope all of you soapers out there, when you go back into your soap kitchen and you are whipping up that amazing aroma of soap, know that, okay, these bars are here to support my family. I make a living off of these bars. But these bars right here, they're to support another person's family. They are, when you talk your kid into bed, with the cost of these bars and the profit you get from these bars, those women that work at XOXO Bank get to tuck in their children and bring them to school and know that they are alive another day because you donated these bars to them. I hope all of you see the passion and the love that I know you have as well as being a soap maker and knowing that we're making a difference in this world. So I hope you all get a hold of XOXO Bank and say, hey, I want to donate all my in cuts and my imperfect bars to you as well. Thank you so much for watching today. And remember, lather, rinse, profit, repeat. Hey, XOXO Bank, when you're gonna come and pick up?